Wayne again from JD Classic Muscle Cars, 1931 Model A. This is a convertible A400 or 400A, depending on what you read on. It's an older restoration. It does have an AACA first some years ago. Chrome's good. The paint's good. Tires are fairly new. Interior is gorgeous. Give us a call, 215-938-9265. Check out the website, JD's Classic and MuscleCars.com. Thanks.